Hello, in front of me I've got Blink Outdoor 4. In this video I'll show you how to set up camera schedule. In the beginning, let's go to settings of your camera. Go to Blink app and go to settings. Now go to device and system settings, systems, and go to scheduling. Right here, tap plus in the top right corner. Next, select arm or disarm, time, and 1 or more days. For example, let's arm cameras at 11 a.m. p.m. Select days, and tap save. And in these days the camera will be armed at the hour. We can add another schedule, for example disarm, this time 11 a.m. Tap save, and we've got the full schedule. From this hour to this hour the cameras will be armed, and in these hours the cameras will not be armed. You can quickly delete schedule by pressing bin icon. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.